This 2022 Highland Ridge Light 275 RLS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Nacogdoches, Texas, 75964 and is offered for sale by Genuine RV Store. This new Highland Ridge is 33 feet 11 inches in length and features 2 slideouts, a Cascade Ivory interior, sleeps 4, slideout, TV antenna, auxiliary battery, Skylight, external shower, self-contained, LP detector, smoke detector, oven, spare tire kit, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, outdoor kitchen, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Highland Ridge Light 275 RLS is 7,554 pounds. This 2022 Highland Ridge Light 275 RLS. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Genuine RV Store, visit RVUSA.com.